Hello everyone. In today's video, I would like us to focus on shell scripting. Shell scripting is a powerful tool for automating tasks and managing system operations efficiently. So far we have been using different single commands to do various operations on input data files. Someone generally tends to do similar operations when new input data files are generated. It would be nice to organize these different commands to be run once as a script, rather than run each command individually. Bash, born again shell, scripting is suitable for putting these command line commands into a script. Bash is useful, but be aware that there are more modern programming/scripting languages such as Python and R that are suitable for complicated tasks as they have numerous inbuilt functions and libraries, mainly used for calling command line programs. Let's see how to shell script by first opening our terminal. As always, I like working in the Documents directory. Therefore, using the cd documents command, I will change my directory. You can work in any directory of your choice. Now, let's confirm whether or not there are any files or subdirectories in the Documents directory using the ls command. As you can see, the Documents directory is empty. Now let's create a very simple bash script named hello.sh using the nano command. We already discussed the nano command in our previous videos. So take time to watch that video as well. Type nano hello.sh and press enter. Now edit this script by first typing the header line that provides the path the interpreter to execute the script and let Unix know that it is a bash script. The header line is #!! /usr/bin/env then bash. Below the header line, now type your commands. In this script the command is echo opening quotation marks, hello, world, exclamation mark, closing quotation marks. Once you are done, press Ctrl+X, then type Y, then press enter to save the script. Let's confirm that our script now exists using the ls command. There it is. Now, I would like us to run this script. There are 3 ways this script can be run. Since the script is in our current working directory, you can run it using the command bash hello.sh and pressing enter. The script runs successfully and prints the output hello, world. Another way of executing this script is specifying your current working directory and giving the name of the script. This is done using the command /hello.sh and pressing enter. As expected, this gives an error indicating that you don't have permission to execute the script. In this case, you must change the permissions by giving the user the ability to execute the script using the chmod command. We already discussed how to use the chmod command in our previous videos. Take time to watch that video as well. The links to the video is provided in the description of this video. Type the command chmod+x hello.sh and press enter. No errors indicate that the permissions have been changed successfully. Now, let's type the command /hello.sh and press enter. As you can see, this time, there are no errors. The script is executed successfully and the hello, world is displayed on the terminal. Now let's try the third way of executing such a script. Let's say you are in the downloads directory, and it is your current working directory, and you would like to execute this hello.sh script yet it is in another directory, in this case, the documents directory. Is that possible? Let's try and see by first changing our directory to the downloads directory using the command cd:/downloads and pressing enter. We are now in the downloads directory and our hello.sh script is in the documents directory. If you try running the bash hello.sh command, you get an error indicating that the file hello.sh is not available in that directory. Again, if you try running the /hello.sh and pressing enter, you get the same error. This takes us to the third way of executing scripts. You have to add the location of the script to your path variable so it will be globally accessible while you are logged into your terminal and just type in the script name. Let's see how to do that. Type the command, export, path, $, path, colon, /, then the path to your script. In this case, it is home, /hovafarm, /documents, /. Type that and press enter. You will have add the location of the script to your path. Now, all you need to do is type the name of the script, which in this case is hello.sh, and press enter. There you go. The script is executed successfully and the hello world is displayed on the terminal. And that's how you write a script and execute it using any of these three methods. Let's try another example and see how it goes. Let's go back to the documents directory using the command cd /documents and press enter. Now let's create another bash script named welcome.sh. Type nano welcome.sh and press enter. Now, add the header line. You can also add a comment using the hashtag. A comment is identified by the hashtag. Anything after the hashtag is comment and it is not executed. It merely informs someone what the commands in the script do. In this case, you can add a comment saying, "This script greets the user and shows the current date and time." Below the comment, now add your commands. You can copy the commands I am writing. Once you are done writing the commands, save the script. Once saved, now run it using the command bash welcome.sh and pressing enter. There you go, it greets the user, who is hovafarm, and shows the current date, which is 2025-15-15. This shall not be 15, it should be the 4th month, April. Let's modify the script. You now know how to modify scripts using Nano. Do that. Instead of this capital M, change it to a small m, then save the script. Now, run the bash command again. Type bash welcome.sh and press enter. There you go. You now get the correct date. The script greets the user, who is hovafarm, shows the date, which is 2025-04-10, and displays the correct time, which is 15-17-06. Now, let's clear the terminal and demonstrate the last example. Let's write a script that asks a user to enter two numbers, then it adds and displays the two numbers on the terminal. As always, we use the nano command to create the scripts. Type nanoaddition.sh and press enter. Now, type the header line and copy the commands I am writing. Once done, save the script. It's now time to run or execute the addition.sh script. Type the command bash addition.sh and press enter. As the user, you will get a prompt to enter the first number. Enter any number. I will enter 5. Then press enter. You will get another prompt requiring you to enter the second number. I will enter 5 and press enter. When you press enter, you will get your output. In my case, the output is the sum of 5 and 5 is 10. Run the script again and try it with different numbers and see the output. Let me do one more. I will add 78 and 12, that give 90. And as expected, the result is 90. With that, we are done with shell scripting. Do more practice to get used to writing and running scripts. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and click the notification bell to support the channel. Goodbye for now. See you in the next video.